Ever found yourself scrubbing away at stubborn soap scum? Or maybe you've noticed a chalky residue on your dishes and appliances. These are the telltale signs of hard water. Hard water is caused by an excess of minerals, primarily calcium and magnesium, in your water supply. So how can this issue be resolved? Enter the hero of our story, the water softener. This handy device combats hard water by removing these pesky minerals. The secret to its success lies in a process called ion exchange. Picture this. The hard water flows through a resin bed within the softener. The resin bed is coated with ions that have a particular attraction for calcium and magnesium. As the water passes through, the hardness minerals swap places with the ions on the resin, leaving you with softened water. But what does this mean for you? Well, let's start with scale buildup. If you've ever noticed a white, crusty layer forming on your pipes, fixtures, or appliances, that's scale. It's a byproduct of hard water and can cause your appliances to become less efficient and even break down over time. A water softener can help prevent this, keeping everything running smoothly. Next, let's talk about water quality. Softened water is simply more enjoyable to use. Whether you're taking a bath, showering, or washing dishes, you'll notice the difference. And don't forget about laundry. Your clothes will feel softer and more comfortable to wear. And finally, let's consider your wallet. Softened water requires less soap and detergent to get the job done. That's because these products can lather up more effectively in softened water, which means you'll use less and save more. Before you rush out to purchase a water softener, there are a few things to consider. Firstly, the size of your home will influence the size of the water softener you'll need. Secondly, the hardness of your water will determine how often your softener will need to regenerate. And lastly, bear in mind your budget. Water softeners can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s. So to wrap things up, if you're tired of dealing with hard water, a water softener could be your solution. It removes hardness minerals, prevents scale buildup, improves water quality, and can even save you money on soap and detergent. Remember to consider your home size, water hardness, and budget when choosing your softener. And if you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to one of our water treatment professionals at SoftProWaterSystems.com. They can provide advice tailored to your specific needs. There you have it, the mystery of the water softener unveiled. Say goodbye to hard water and hello to a smoother, cleaner, and more efficient home.